Hey, Nick Watson here at Joseph Motors. We're going to add a new vehicle to our YouTube stream. It's a 2015 Chevy. It's a Chevy Express Cutaway handicap version we've got. Johnny and I are going to go over some high points on this vehicle. Only 86,000 miles, 6.6 liter Duramax. We're going to start on the outside, work our way in. These are all one-owner vehicles that are all completely serviced at our Fleet Repair Center, Truck South. There's no rips, tears in the seats. If there are, they are replaced and fixed. All these vehicles are serviced down there. They all have 10-ply tires, like new brakes. Bodies are in really good shape. This is a StarTrans edition bus with a wheelchair lift that is a Braun Mobility Ricon lift. This is a 10-passenger version. It does allow up to 11 passengers, accounting the driver. It does come with rear AC. It does have foldaway seating. You have capability of hauling 4 wheelchairs all at the same time in here. There is latches and tire downs available, shoulder harnesses and stuff like that. Everything is fully operational. Overall, really nice unit. Got any questions about this unit, please give us a call at 919-661-2886. Ask for Johnny or ask for me. I'm Nick. Or you can hit us up on the website at josephmotorsnc.com. Or hit us up on the phone number 919-661-2886. Love to hear from you. Have a great day.